Receive na po. Balita ko. Thank you, thank you. Ito ang paglagay. Nice one. Sana makabit namin ng maayos. Message na lang hindi namin mailagay. Salamat.
Japan and Philippines, and shows why syempre as the new look of 1947, which celebrated the newly found peace.